What's up, guys? Just got up over to my buddy's house here. Ain't gonna try to, I don't know if y'all can see it right now. Try to get out of the Jeep. Gonna weld up the rear end on his ZJ. So, see what we got going on.
I want it to be all the way in the center of one of them teeth. You know what I'm saying?
Just weld the fucking piss out of her.
I don't want to. I'm not gonna get my ground on there.
We show old YouTube how to fucking do it redneck style. Fucking old vice grips on the ground wire and shit.
Clamp. Maybe a clamp will work. I can clamp it right here on the back or something on this nut or something, right?
Yeah, why not? What kind of clamp? You ain't got no C-clamp around
Yeah.
here?
There's one over there somewhere.
I see my ball joint press.
No, that's not.
What the fuck you mean, no, it's not?
That's a U-joint press.
No, it's ball joint press for a U-joint.
There we are.
Let her rip tater chip.
We can't tell me that bitch ain't fucking welding, bro.
That bitch looks pretty fucking good.
That bitch is good. Fuck. Can't get no better than that.
Ain't bad. Oh, fuck it, man. Gobs and gobs and gobs to do a fucking rear end good, huh? Ooh, get you some.
Welder wants this ready to work.
And hit the fucking ground.
What you thinking?
That bitch ain't going no fucking where, bro. Shit, look how pretty that fucking weld is, man. Look at that.
Oh shit, bro.
All this over the mumbo jumbo shit up. Welded right here on the bottom. Turn it around. I still gotta. Well, I'll weld down here and then move the ground down here because I want to weld the top like this one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's the matter with that, man? Shit. That's a fucking weld right there.
Cause fuck. Oh, look at that.
Oh man. That bitch looks good.
Not too shabby. Oh, she ain't moving.
No?
Oh, she gonna turn. I'm talking about moved like rocking.
I'm gonna turn around and weld the other side up. Right? And then I'll weld this bottom up, weld the top. Then we'll turn it and do the other side.
Yep. What's she looking like?
That bitch ain't moving. Look at that one on the top here. Hang on.
Hang on, let me find a good spot to show me. Ooh, that was a long one there.
That's a fat one.
Oh yeah. Fuck. Oh yeah. Ugh.
What's up, guys? I'm here in the woods. Got the old ZJ. About to take a trail. See what it does. See what it turns into. It's pretty nasty. So try to stay out of the light. Whoa. Now turn your wheel straight. That way, left. Yeah, left. There you go. Go back. Keep going. Oh, keep going. There's gonna be a little rut right there. Just come on. No, keep them straight. Go. You just gotta keep them straight. You're gonna hit a little rut right there, but you're good. That's straight. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Turn your wheels. Turn your wheels left and right. Alright. Alright guys, fuck. Hold on. Oh! Give it a go. Nope. Oh fuck. Well, of course I forget the strap tonight and he's gotta come along, so. Yep.
Damn it. I broke my tire spinning in the back.
Yeah, this is the ZJ that we welded the rear end on. I'll put that video up in a couple days, but we had to come test it out. That's what, you're just bottomed out on your axle. You was not enough fucking man foot, you was pussy footing that shit. You should have fucking just hammered down. I told you them ruts were going to get deep. Look at these fuckers. I don't know if y'all can see them.
Pull me backwards.
Pull you backwards with what? You got your come along?
Yeah. You might have to try to get over here and just bump me loose.
Yeah.
That's all I need to bump loose.
Alright guys. Let's see what we can do here. I'll get back with y'all. I sure fucking hope so, because if we both get stuck, Leslie ain't gonna be fucking mad. Alright, sorry, she's gonna be fucking mad.
What?
If Leslie get stuck, Leslie's gonna be pissed. Come on. I'm just gonna give it a little. He should come out. I know the light is shitty, guys. That might be a little bit hard. Oh shit. fucking come along. Oh fuck. What the hell? Ain't running in no fucking trees. Where'd it go? Oh, there's fucking hook. Yeah, seen that fun fucking coming. Well, I gotta run to the fucking house, go grab a strap. I'll be back with y'all. Fuck shit. Damn GoPro wasn't recording. Fucking missed the whole fucking thing. But anyways, guys, we got his ass unstuck. Ran home, got the strap. You know, this fucking blows, man. That wouldn't. That's what I thought I had it sitting there in my hand the whole time. Fuck. Anyways, ran home, got my little trusty old yellow strap. So we got him out of there, and shit, that sucks. Anyways, we'll get to the house and show you what his Jeep looks like when we get there. All right, y'all. No, y'all can't see it, but I running down a dirt road, 350 big block, baby, I'm a big load, explode. Now let me show you how we do it, drop it low. Now baby, let me run through it. Catch me in the mud, sun around in mud. If you see me in the street, I'm around in mud. Don't smack, step back, sun around in mud. If you hear me on the track, I'm around in mud. Catch me in the mud, sun around in mud. If you see me in the street, I'm around in mud. Alright, get back with y'all. What's up, guys? Made it back from the old fiasco of this guy right here. Oh, you can't see the damn light. This thing, I know y'all. Oh, maybe that one. No, y'all can't. Shit fucking sucks. But anyways, this Jeep's freaking covered. Look at this damn light. You can't fucking see nothing.
No wonder why they wasn't fucking
Look at that. The only reason the windshield clean, he got windshield wipers.
I got
shit.
water in them.
Anyways, man, I can't believe I didn't hit the record button when I was pulling them out. So I guess that is what it is, you know. Yeah, I don't know how to use this damn camera right here. All I know is, you know, I guess I look at it. Fuck, I don't know. So, you know, back at the house.
Drinking some moonshine.
I'm gonna take me a little sip of some more old shiny shine. But anyways, guys, hope next time we get some videos out there in the daylight so we can see. Anyways, this one over here is still nice and clean. I just had to tug on them a little bit.
See how many comments we get on that.
But shit, pulled your ass out. Snapped to come along, you know. I knew that crap was gonna break.
Yeah, I know.
But you know, it's worth the shot.
Try,
you know. Sure, there'd be some people go, oh, that thing's gonna fly. Yeah, I wasn't really tugging on it, I was just bumping on it, and of course that thing broke. So but anyways, guys, we're gonna get over here, we're gonna relax, hang out for a little bit. So y'all take it easy, catch y'all on the next video, and I'll try to get the video up of us welding his rear end, or maybe I'll just throw a couple clips in onto this video. So all right, y'all, take it easy.